My day is a nail tech, but I'm doing my mom's nails, and they're cat-themed Valentine's nails, obviously. First, we took off that first layer of coat, got all the lifting, then we did some hand filing, refined the shape. Look at this fill. Look how satisfying this is. Don't you ever just kind of want to eat hard gel? It's so satisfying it looks delicious. Just kidding, don't do that. Or am I? Then we're refining that little shape, building up that beautiful apex, so if she slams her nails in the door, it's fine. Don't do that, but it's fine. Cat eye for the cat nails, duh, and of course chrome. We're chrome and everything. And then we're adding frickin' airbrush. Of course I messed up because it's an airbrush. Ellen ever. Look at this little bow. Look at this little 3D bow. It's that cute. She's that cute. Oh my gosh, they're delicate. And then we're obviously adding a cat and then doing a 3D heart around the cat because cats are what amazing. We made a mess, obviously. Look how cute this little cat Valentine's nail store is. Adorable.